Hey, thanks for coming to watch today's video. So today's video is a V-part wig from Nadula Hair. So thank you so much, Nadula Hair, for sponsoring this video. Now let's jump right in. So I did have a braid pattern already from some crochets. So I decided to just unbraid the middle two braids and use that for my V-part leave out. It was a little too wide, so I ended up just making it smaller and bobby pinning the rest of the hair away that I didn't need. So the wig did come with some goodies, some lashes, some alligator clips, a wig cap, and a satin scarf. And this is the wig. It's a V-part kinky curly wig in 24 inches. It has 4 combs around the front, 1 comb around each side of the ear tabs, 1 comb in the back, adjustable straps, and 1 clip at the top. The construction of this wig is very standard for V-part wigs, and it's super helpful. You will use all the clips, all the combs, and even the adjustable straps, and the wig will be very secure if you install it that way. So now that I have a very thin, small section of leave out, I'm going to go ahead and put the wig on. I'm going to use all 4 of the clips around the parting space, and I'm going to use the clip around the top of the crown of my head and install the combs on the side and the back. This wig fits me perfectly. I didn't realize when I took out my braid pattern from before, but the fact that my hair was braided and had like a crimpy texture was perfect to blend into this wig. I highly suggest that if you want to blend your natural hair into this kinky curly, definitely braid it and let that braided texture crimp up your hair, and it will blend very nicely with a little bit of effort, very low effort. I did want to fluff the hair out a little bit and give myself a trim to just put some face framing layers into this unit. I think this unit is absolutely beautiful straight out the pack. The curls are gorgeous. They just look really great and healthy. I was very impressed by this wig, and I've tried several V-part wigs, but I definitely love the texture of the hair, how healthy it looks, and how it's so nice and curly all the way down to the ends. once I was happy with the cut, I went ahead and grabbed a bristle brush. This bristle brush is great because it has a soft side and a hard side. I used the hard side to sort of fluff out the hair and blend my hair into the curls, and then I used the soft side to kind of just place everything where I want it. I absolutely love how this hair is blending with mine, and yeah, it's just beautiful. I decided to grab my GLEEmade baby hair brush and my GLEEmade edge control to go ahead and slick down my edges and better blend them into the wig. So that's what I went ahead and did here, and then the wig was pretty much good to go. I changed my top. I finished, well, I had my makeup already done, and yeah, so just stay tuned for the reveal at the end. So this is the end result, you guys. I took off my GLEEmade baby hair scarf and went ahead and just added a little water to the ends of the curls. Just wanted to make sure they were, you know, just really curly and popping. I absolutely love how this unit came out. The hair is so healthy, so soft. Beautiful texture, beautiful curls. It blends with my hair so nicely. I have just been loving natural looking units. They just are so undefeated. They look beautiful. They make me feel like a beautiful black queen, and I absolutely am here for styles that are doing that. I added my shine spray from GLEEmade. All these GLEEmade products are available on my website. You can check them out at www.gleemade.com. And yeah, I just love how this came out. Let me know your thoughts down below. I'll leave links down below to where you can try out this V-part wig from Nadula Hair. I absolutely recommend Nadula for their quality, their customer service, their fast shipping, and you know, just how beautiful the hair is. Thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you subscribe and share this video. Share it with a friend, share it with a wig lover. Share this video with your mama. Peace.